Why do we hiccup? This annoying hic sound is actually a glitch in your body's hardware. It starts with an involuntary spasm of your diaphragm, followed by your vocal cords slamming shut in a split second. Whether it's triggered by eating too fast, spicy food, or sudden stress, it's a reflex we just can't control. Scientists have many theories, but some believe hiccups are actually a leftover fossil behavior from our prehistoric ancestors who lived in the water. Could your hiccups be a ghostly signal from an evolution we left behind millions of years ago?